Hello guys and hi everyone, this is Chan here and welcome to the product Electrify. So don't go by the name for this product. I wanna tell you that this product is all about Twitter marketing. Don't go by the name Electrify like something to electrocute you or something surprising is revealing to you. That is not like that, but this is a simple Twitter marketing app, and this is very effective because Twitter traffic is a very targeted traffic, and very knowledgeable people are available inside Twitter. That is why there is no junkies or there is no bad traffic or bad clicks and expected. Okay, so that is why this tool is very effective, and there are some proofs are here. Okay, like Twitter marketing, Twitter follow or Twitter stuffs are given inside this pack. This tool also providing you 90 days no satisfaction money back guarantee, and price is also cheap, and I want to give you my bonuses with this tool totally free. Once you have just got the tool from my website, just click on the first description link and get the tool, get the bonuses. So let me show you the tool firstly. So inside this tool, once you have started using this, you need to integrate your Twitter account. I don't have a Twitter account specifically like the really used Twitter account. I have created Twitter account inside 2014, and after that I have used that or I have not used that. Like after 1 year I have not used that, and that is why no account is available. Like some other people have integrated their account inside this demo version. So these accounts are previously and done by the other people, and let me show you from these accounts. Like inside activity, you can check your activity. That is a very simple thing. You can create your new post from this Twitter post section, and maybe there is a bad connection is going on inside my internet. That is why it is taking time. Maybe the connection is poor, or maybe the connection is totally shut down. I don't know why it is taking so much time. So inside activity, you can see the license code. You need to download your extension and use the extension to get the activity. After that, the inbox, the analytics is available. So let me click on inbox one by one. I want to go. So inside the inbox, your Twitter message. Okay, I don't think that Twitter provides the message feature. Okay, so I don't know what will be done by that inbox feature. And this is the analytics schedule account manager. I want to show you while it is going on. I want to show you something interesting from this video. So this is a demo video of this tool. I have muted the video, so let me show you something interesting. So you can see here everything is turned on, and after that it is showing everything is 0, but after 24 hours I want to show you the results. Okay, so after 24 hours later, it is like that kind of stuffs you can expect, like the favorite 183 and reply 57 and retweet and follow, unfollow, everything, welcome, DM, everything. So that is totally automatically done by this tool, by this software. While you are sleeping, this tool will be going on, this tool will be working on inside your Twitter account, inside your Twitter stuff. Okay, so you can create sales using this tool from Twitter, and if you are a Twitter person, I want to recommend you to get it. Otherwise, don't get it and leave the video now. I have wasted already your 3 minutes. Okay, if you are not a Twitter person. So watermark captions is also available. You can put the watermark and captions, and inside file manager, the image editor is also a good thing. Image editor is available for this tool. So it is taking time while you have uploaded. Once you have uploaded your images, you can edit them very easily using this tool. I don't want to tell more and more about this tool because this is already a very simple tool, and I have told you everything. So that is the thing. If you want to get the tool, you can click on the description link, and from there you can get the tool with my bonuses. So for the front end bonus, I want to give you 30 plus bonuses inside the front end, and inside the upsell bonus I want to give you 400 plus stuffs. So what is the upsell or the mega bonus procedure, like the 400 plus bonuses? So if you purchase only the front end that costs $17, I will be giving you 30 bonuses, and if you purchase any of the upsells from below section, you will be given the mega bonus totally free, total 400 plus stuffs free. And and that is the thing. I don't wanna explain it more, like there is nothing to explain about it, and that is the thing. So mega bonus, I have cleared you everything, and I wanna tell you something about this vendor bonus. This vendor bonus comes by default with this product. So these are the vendor bonuses. You can see here, these all bonuses: awakening, boss funnel, magnetic, hypnotic. So all amazing tools are waiting for you with this product, totally free. If you just purchase it, you will be given these bonuses by default. So that is the thing, that is the vendor bonus, and I have cleared you everything. So you can click on this button to get visited the sales page. From there you can get the tool. Don't directly go to the sales page to get the bonuses. Okay, so just use this button and get the tool and get the bonuses, and I will be also commissioned from you, from your purchase, some percentage. So it will be a win-win condition for me and you both. So I am signing out for this video. Have a good day. Thanking you again. Bye bye.